with a boy named Chaboy. I'm doing a dat drop case.
Hello.
Battle. What up, man?
What's up, bro?
He does recognize
No
his
much.
voice? I'm
No
wondering if the
much.
chat recognizes the voice.
I wonder. Mo, you're American, though.
America.
Mer.
I've been up.
Where about in America are you from, anyway?
Cali.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I love Cali.
I live in the worst part though, but it's all right, you know. The rough
There's no worse
neighborhoods.
part in Cali. Well, I suppose.
What have you been up to, man? What time is it over there?
It is currently 5 to 5 in the afternoon. Just been working, mate. Just been grafting. I'm working on a video for tomorrow, I hope. It's not that, though. I got a 10% Prince and a 10% Wild Lotus as well.
This isn't fair, dude. I spent.
That's what I mean, bro. And then I thought I'd try my luck with the Stat Track Factory and Fire Cell.
I kind of don't want to do this fucking battle against you right now, though. With all this fucking luck on your side right now, what are we doing a battle for, dude? I'm gonna fucking lose.
I've got $1,000 there.
All right,
to
dude.
battle.
All right, we'll do the battle. Do you want me to create it, or do you want to create it? Oh my god, I'm
You
kinda
create
nervous.
the battle. Yeah, let's do between 10 and 20 rounds.
Okay, so let me add a couple sparkle cases in here. Let's do some. My case, the one that I did for them, they changed the name to it.
Oh, really?
Because I told them, I said, "Yo, take my name off your website, dog, or pay me." You know.
Yeah,
They're like, "Bye." They said, "Bye."
I was asking people, like, do you get a cut from the case that people open?
No, you don't get a cut from the case. It just, but
that's shit, mate.
It is shit, but whatever, dude. Maybe after this video comes out, they're like, "Hey, maybe we should give them a cut."
Exactly.
Are you gonna be able to join it right away? You're watching the public thing, right?
I'm watching it now.
This would get so messed up if someone else joins instead. All right, I created it. I
Pretty much.
created it. Oh my god. Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
Let's go, man.
All right, man. Come on, Sparkles, you son of a bitch.
Woo!
Good start.
That's a really good start.
Oh my god, double jump start.
What the hell?
Oh my god, Sparkles, I love you.
That's $240.
Oh my god, now I'm getting worried. See, when I start good, I get worried, dude.
Yeah,
okay,
there's an 8 in this case. There's an 8 in this.
I saw it. Oh, you're coming back.
I need one more to draw
You're
with
not
you.
getting it. We're moving on to Prodigy. Come on. God damn it.
Oh, $20.
But
What
you're
the hell?
See, the thing is now, with this website, now I'm lost. Now, oh no.
not?
What is that?
You're slightly.
Slightly.
Oh, Nelly gloves. Slightly ahead of
God,
them.
dude, no way this is happening. Not again, man.
You
I've
think we'll
never.
get our-
You know, I haven't won once. Against
$50.
what? Mine's we have the same one. Yours is 50, mine's 5. We have the same one.
Oh!
Oh my god, dude,
$50, come on.
you're actually beating me right now. What's the graphite worth? Oh no, it's not even okay. You still beat
Quite close.
me.
That's quite close.
Oh my god, dude, I knew this was gonna
What the
happen.
hell is that?
I knew this was a bish.
Bish.
What the fuck is
How
that?
much is that?
Bish?
$72.
Oh,
You won,
no.
man.
No, I did not. You're actually winning right now.
Oh, the
I just
Vulcan! Ah,
Oh,
nah,
it's a
you're
shitty
winning, I
Vulcan.
think.
All right.
Come on.
No, I think you're winning right now. I think this is so even. It's crazy. I don't know who's winning anymore.
Same, bro. Oh, okay.
What?
That is a horrible.
Why did I
skin,
think
bro.
mine was worth more than yours there?
Where are the
Oh my
knives?
god, dude, this is. I picked the worst cases ever, I guess, dude, because I'm none of the. Okay, that might be clutch right there, dude. Arrow, come on, arrow, give me some knife or something.
Oh, the
Plus-
Poseidon.
That might be it for me,
Yeah,
dude. Hold on, last one. This is a shitty case too. Oh,
Oh,
please.
come on, give me
Oh my god. Okay, all right, dude. You
Stand
know
it,
what?
throw it.
I don't know, bro. It's so scary right now because I know you took the lead
You're
over here in the video. Oh my god, please, Dad, no. Please, dude. Oh, no, I'm losing. Fuck you.
What are you doing, for? Let me see.
Dude, I'm not coming back from this. Wait, I saw my Poseidon. Hold on.
What's that?
might
That's
be
your
it.
Poseidon there.
Oh.
Ah,
Yes! Oh my god.
$1,500. That's
Oh
crazy
my
from what,
God, dude.
900?
Dude, yeah, we
Nice one,
sucked. Basically, we picked really shitty skins, dude. Is basically what happened.
That's it.
Oh my god, this is the first time I win a dat drop battle, dude. You don't understand. Like, in terms of against a
Really?
YouTuber, I always lose, man. Fucking Juicy. Dude, I think Juicy owns this site. Don't
think so as
play
well. I've seen
against
his battles.
Juicy.
I
Don't
ain't played
play
ever
against
again.
Juicy. Oh my god.
Yeah, Mo, I'm gonna make a battle for 30 bucks. Try and.
Oh
try
man,
and
dude,
join
hold
it,
on.
Mo. Great battle.
Tell me when it's in.
I'd gay. Right, you ready, Mo, for 23 bucks?
Okay, 23. I'll find it. Oh my god, I gotta be quick with this. I'm getting old. There it is. I'm in.
Oh, here we go, Mo.
Okay, man.
2 cases, Mo. 10% chance again.
Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna lose money
That
on
was
this
close.
case. We're both
10%
losing.
knife chance.
We're both losing money on we're gonna win 15 cents.
Who's gonna
Oh
win?
my god! I won
No
10
way.
cents, $23.20.
20 cents.
Oh my god. Somehow I lost. Somehow I won, but I lost. Whatever I get here, I'm gonna donate to your viewers, alright?
Cheers,
So-
mate. Aye, perfect.
So
Yeah,
whatever
I'll-
this
I'll-
is, unless it's like some insane thing and it's I'm kidding. Whatever it is, this is my old case. This used to be the Moe case, and I'm opening it right now. Whatever it is, I'm gonna either give you the amount in skin or crypto or something to give to your viewers. All right?
Oh, thank you very much, mate.
Oh shit, dude. Here we go.
Here we go. Imagine it was a dragon war.
Oh my god, bro! You don't understand. Oh, it's a. Oh my god, dude! I was like, if it's a, dude, I was getting sweaty, dude. I got so sweaty. All right, so
that
it's a
was
hellfire.
so scary.
We'll try it then. Just cause it's a hellfire. That's $10.
Are you sure?
If it's another hellfire, we'll do that. But let's hope. Okay, forget that we tried again. Forget everything. We'll talk later. Thank you guys for watching the video. All right, dude. It's $4.55.
That's good,
All
that's
right, I'm gonna give you $455 in Ethereum to give away to your viewers,
Oh, yeah.
whether you want to do it in one giveaway or multiple. But that's the least I could do,
That's
man.
perfect.
All right, man. I appreciate it, bro.
I'll link you down in the description, and we'll set something up on Twitter, and they
For
can
sure,
go and head
yeah.
over, and they
I
can
got you,
enter the
man.
giveaway. And play.
Hey, thanks for
That's
playing, bro.
crazy.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mo, mate. Thank you. Have a
See ya,
nice
bro.
day.
You too, man. See ya.
Bye-bye.
I'm picking all my skins out. I'm gonna cash out and send it to my Ethereum wallet. I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna send Cha Ethereum to his wallet personally in the amount of $455. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, go to his channel. Good luck and try to win it. And eventually, I'll do something on my channel too. Thank you guys for watching. And cut. That's how you do a YouTube video. Ba-boom.